In this video, we are going to cover a triple blank sentence completion that has multiple words in the answer choice. So you can see here, looking down here, look at these answer choices. Many words. Even here, there's a couple of words here and there. And this isn't something that's typical on the GRE, but it's something you'll definitely see. So it's good to be prepared for it. Now, you can also see that this is a very long paragraph. So I'm going to assume you've read it already. And let's go through step by step, looking for the clues, coming up with our own word. But let's start there. First thing we're going to learn is if you have many words as part of the answer choices, then your blanks, or that is your own words for the blank, should be many words. Maybe 3, 4, 5 words, whatever you need, so you have a sense of, okay, this blank is going to go this idea, and then you match the idea to the idea. So again, you don't want to come up with just one word because we have many words here as well. So let's read it. The beginning. The rise in the percentage of people with cancer can very well be attributable to blank. If we read on, we see that, there's sophisticated tools that they're using. So therefore, these cancers are being detected by these sophisticated tools. And these tools are, which example of what? Are they unhealthy changes in lifestyle? No. Are they improved methods of detection? Sophisticated tools that catch the disease are indeed improved methods of detection. Greater public awareness is not mentioned. So you can see by coming up with our own words and, of course, matching it with the clue, it's a lot easier to get the right answer. Now let's try that for the second blank. I'm going to start reading from here. That this technology represents an unqualified success is blank, for the number who go on to develop late-stage cancer has increased slightly. So there's a problem here. We have better detection, but it's not a 100% unqualified success because people, or more people are going on to develop late-stage cancer. So that's a problem. So to say that it's a 100% success, this technology, well, that's not completely accurate. And that's what we're going for here. So we'll start with patently absurd. Absurd is a strong word. Patent is even a stronger word. We're going for something softer. So even if you didn't know that patent means blatantly or jarringly, something that really sticks out or is noticeable, the absurd alone should show you that it's a little bit too strong. We're going for something like B. It's potentially misleading. It's not entirely accurate. And there's our answer. Not without merit is suggesting that this technology has some good things, but we're saying the technology is not 100%. It's, there's some things about it that are not good, and let's go on and read, and that's when we get that information. So let's get rid of not without merit. And then finally, blank 3. This finding can be blanked by yet another recent finding. So this finding is what? Well, this finding, of course, is the idea that the number who develop late-stage cancer has increased. And this finding can be blanked with another recent finding that what? Well, many people are becoming resistant to aggressive forms of chemotherapy or treatment. So you can see that, okay, well, this finding makes sense now. It can be understood, or, and the word we're going here for here is reconciled with. So now we can make sense of this finding. If we look at this other finding, that is reconciled. Refuted means disproved. That does not work. Juxtapose just means to place side by side. And we're not necessarily just comparing them, but we are saying, okay, well, this finding helps us understand what's going on. This finding here of people are becoming more resistant to even aggressive forms of chemotherapy. So juxtapose isn't the right word, and there are our answers. So again, you can see that on a long text completion like this, we really had to work through the various parts of the sentence. We had to look for the clues, come up with our own words for the blank, and match those with the words that are in the answer choices.